What's up, trains and carriages across the stuff? We got a train here in Marysville. Oh, it's the Southbound. What kind of train is it? Oh, it's a Southbound. Sorry, guys, I thought it was a northbound. Anyway, we've got a what's up, trains and carriages across the stuff? We've got a Southbound grain train here in Marysville. Oh, it's a freight train. I thought it was a grain train, but that's okay. There's freight cars going south. You know, as you can see, it's getting ready to go south. And here it is, and that concludes the southbound freight train. And Mama, go like this. Why is he going so slow?
Why is he going so slow?
Because the speed limit's so slow for downtown Marysville. Anyway, well, here is the train.